Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make this headband. It's so simple, so easy to make, and I made it with Tunisian knit stitch. For this I use 6.5mm Tunisian hook, and this yarn it's worsted weight yarn, La Mia Wool Easy. One of them is 210 meters, 229 yards. It's acrylic and wool, and it recommends 4mm crochet hook, but for Tunisian works, I'll always use bigger hook. It looks good like that, more good. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. Then chain 12. I made 12 chains. If you want, you can make longer chains like 14, 15, 16. It's up to you. And now we will just take loops from these chains. I made a video about this Tunisian knit stitch before. You can find it here. But I will show you again here. Just skip this one because we have this loop. Insert into this next chain. Take the yarn and pull up a loop. Into the next one. Take a loop again. Into the next one. Pull up a loop. And keep going like that. I will have totally 12 loops. That's the last one. Then grab the yarn and pull through from only this last loop. One loop. Okay? Yarn over and pull through from these two loops. Yarn over and pull through from two loops. Yarn over and pull through two loops, and keep making. That's the basic Tunisian stitch. Now we will start to make the knit stitch. Skip this one again. Don't leave this loop too loosey like that. And that's my next loop. Generally, we will make our stitch, take our loops like that. That's the basic Tunisian stitch. But for the knit stitch, you see these two legs. You will insert your hook between these two legs. Insert your hook from here. Grab the yarn and pull through. That's the next one. Insert your hook between two legs, take a loop, and next one, next, and at the end I will insert my hook from here. Take this two loop. You see these two legs? Insert your hook between them, but take this back one too. Okay? And yarn over, pull through one. Yarn over, pull through from two loops. Two loops, two loops, and keep making. Now we will make it again. Insert from here, grab the yarn, insert the next one, and next one between these two legs. And that's the last one. I'm going back. One, pull through from, sorry. Two loops, two, two, and we will make this knit stitch again and again. For how many rows I don't know right now. Just make your rows and wrap it around your head. If I measure around my head, I will look now. It's 58 centimeters, but it will change, of course. Just measure around your head, and you can make a few centimeters less than that, because it will be loosen up. But I don't want to make it too tight. Don't make it too tight, okay? I will make a, and then you will add 20 centimeters more, 8 inches more. If you want to make it 50 centimeters, then add 20 more, make it 70 centimeters, because we will make a bow with this 20 centimeters. I'll just finish it and turn and show you. I complete my work, and it's totally 28.5 inches long, or 72 centimeters. Now we will sew this one from here. Just take a yarn needle. Insert from here. And join. It's not important, you can just sew it as you like. because we will make something here, it will not look bad. When you finish it, just hide your yarn and don't cut this yarn, just leave it like that, okay? And don't forget to hide this tail too. Now we will find a measure here, and that's 10 centimeters. I will make it like that, okay? We'll make a new so from here it's 4 inches long. That's okay. And then we will make here like that. If you want, you can make here more than 10 centimeters, a little more than. It will be a big bow with this way. Take these 2 strands of yarn and wrap it around here. Just take your time and make it good. That's it. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.